Good morning everyone. Welcome to Kids Math. In our previous classes we have seen the parts of the abacus tool, how to represent the numbers. Before starting levels in abacus, we have to practice some tips. How to represent the beads, how to add the beads, how to clear the beads, how to remove the beads, etc. In abacus, every second counts. So it's a best practice to use fingers of both the hands. I will show you how to do that. Let's start today's session. First I will show you how to clear the beads. If the beads are shuffled like this, clear the beads using your right hand, thumb and index. This is called butterfly action. Okay, do like this. Practice like this to clear the beads. Now I will show you how to add the beads and remove the beads in ones place. This is the ones rod. So each bead represents one. Okay, so to add the lower beads, use your thumb. Okay, thumb finger to add the beads. But for removing the lower beads, you have to use index. For removing, you have to use index finger, right hand index finger. Even for adding upper bead, removing upper bead, use your right index finger. Upper bead, adding and removing, you have to use your index finger. Only for adding the lower beads, you are using your thumb. Okay, for removing lower beads, for adding and removing upper beads, you are using the index finger only. Only for the adding the ones place, you are using your thumb finger. This is the ones place. Now tens place. This is the tens place. The tens rod, we are using our left hand, middle and index. For adding and removing the lower beads, you are using index finger like this. Adding, removing, adding, removing. With your index finger only, left hand index finger only, you are doing adding lower beads and removing lower beads in tens rod. But in the upper bead 50, we have to use right hand, left hand, middle finger. See, left hand, middle finger. For adding, for removing the upper bead in tens, you are using your left hand, middle finger. Do like this. Suppose if you have to add all the beads, do like this. Upper bead with the middle and lower beads with index. Okay. Suppose if you have to remove the beads, do like this. So you are using, this is like scissor. You have to use like a scissor. Once again I am repeating how to add and remove. Add with your thumb finger. In the ones place, add with your thumb finger. Remove with your right hand index. In the ones place, you are using your right hand. Okay. For adding and removing the upper bead, use your index finger. For only adding, use your right hand thumb finger. In the left hand, in the ones rod, you are using right hand. Now in the tens rod, you have to use your left hand. Here you have to do the scissor action. Add like this, remove like this. Adding, removing. Okay. In abacus, we can say plus, minus. And also sometimes in some abacus competitions, they don't say plus 5, minus 5 like that. They will use the words add and less. For plus, they will use add. Add 5 means add 5. Less 5 means removing. In some competitions, they will use the words add and less. So in abacus, either add or less or plus or minus. Anything we can use. So don't get confused. Plus means nothing but addition. Minus means subtraction. So we are lessing out. So add or less, plus or minus. Any terms we can use in the abacus. Okay. Now I will show you some examples how to add and less. Okay. Add 5. See, I am using my right hand index finger. 5. Now clear the beads. 9. I am using both the fingers. 9. This is 9. Okay. Clear the beads. Now I will show you in the tens place. 90. See how I am doing? 90 by using my middle and index finger. 90. Okay, this is 90. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is 90. I am clearing the beads. I will show you 78. See, 78 I will do at a time. 7 in the tens place and 8 in the ones place. See, this is 78. 7, 8. This is how we have to do. We have to move our fingers. Okay, I am clearing the beads. Okay, now I will show you how to subtract. Suppose we have 99. This is 99. Okay, we have to remove 70. Okay, this is how we have to remove 50, 20. You have to remove 70. So now what is left over? 29 we have. Okay, I want to remove 5. Okay, I want to remove 3. I have removed 3. I want to remove 20. So you have to keep your fingers like this. Okay, scissor and butterfly action we have to do. Okay children, these are some best practices in abacus. You understood, right? Okay, keep practicing. In the next session we will start doing problems in abacus. Thank you.